In this particular video, I'll take you through a step-by-step guide on how you can use Google Sheets to make a chart. In order to create your chart, first of all, you need to open the data that you will be using. In this case, I will be using this dummy data for my illustration. So you go ahead and select the first column. So I will be using the month. I want the month to be on the horizontal axis and then the total sales to be on the vertical axis. I'll demonstrate that for you to see. So I'll select the month. Then you navigate your mouse to insert, and then over here you're going to scroll down and select chart. Then you click on chart. So selecting chart, the chart will be inserted successfully for you. And what you can do is you can click inside this particular chart and then make changes to it. So I'm going to drag it up a little bit, and then you can increase the size of the chart. When you do this and you want to change this, for instance, we want to change the total sales versus month, the moment you click inside the chart, you have this chart editor that will help you to customize your chart. First of all, let's go to the setup. So with the setup, you can select the type of chart that you want. Over here, there are several ones that you can select from, and currently we are using the line chart. So you can select a histogram chart and you have this pop up for you. Then you can select the area chart as well if this is what you prefer. So you can go through the various type of chart and select the one that you want to use. Now after doing all of that, you can also change the data range. So the data range that we used was from A1, which began from the month, to the last one over here, which is B25. So when I click back, you double click inside the chart to have the editor pop up for you, and we head over to setup. You can see that the data ranges from A1 to B25. So you can do many changes to this. You can select the data range that you want. In a situation whereby you want to just create a chart for probably a small range of data, you can select it like this, and then you create the chart. You go back to insert, and then you make sure to insert a new chart over here, or you can just do your editing over here with the setup, and then you customize the data range. Now we have labels. So the first one was the month, and then we have our values to be total sales, so it's tallying. So let's go back to line chart. Right, you can also change the title over here. Double click the title, and then you can type anything at all that you want over here, and then all the changes will be made to the chart for you. Now you can also change the title, the font. In case you don't like the font, you can change the font of your title. Then you see that the changes have been made here. Then you can also change the font size. Then you can do some bold, you can add some italics values, and then you can also change the alignment of this particular text. Then you can also change the color of the text. So you can use the setup to go through your chart, and then you can use this customization to customize the chart. You can change the line dash type over here, okay, and then you take your time to go through them one by one.